I'm so hungry, so excited to get this Dunkin'. Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful. May I please do the strawberry dragon fruit refresher with green tea?
Okay.
And then I'll try that new chicken roasted pepper wrap.
We don't have it.
Dang it. I really wanted to try that chicken roasted pepper wrap. I was looking forward to it. That's okay. Y'all, I just started using the Dunkin' app. This is not sponsored or anything, but this is genius. I should know this, obviously, but you get points and then there's like special deals and offers. If I liked coffee, I'd do the $6 meal deal, but they don't do it with refreshers. I still haven't figured out where is a good spot for this tripod in my car. Still getting used to filming in here. Thank you. This looks fire. Thank you. Have a good one. I need to eat. I'm starving. Today we're spending the day together. I have so many errands to run. A million little things that just need to get done. This morning I was just doing house chores, so now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm starving. I've been on a Dunkin' kick recently, not gonna lie, and I was like, you know what sounds good? An ice cold refresher and some yummy hash browns. Cheers to that. This is how we're gonna get our day started, and it's gonna start off well. Yum. Let me eat real quick and then we'll go hit the first spot up. The first stop on our day of errands is the post office, and I feel like I live at the post office, but it's okay for a valid reason, because I did my huge closet clean out if you didn't watch my last video, and I've been shipping out depop packages like crazy. Y'all have been buying all my clothes, and it's awesome because I'm taking bags of stuff to the Goodwill today and then shipping out some more clothes that I was getting rid of. I just love that we're reusing and recycling clothing, whether it's through donations or purchasing, and thank you to everyone who bought my clothes. I love to put little fun goodies in there. They all know me here because I'm here multiple times a week. But y'all, this strawberry green tea refresher, so yummy. Been loving this. In this bag we have all the little packages to ship out, and then I have 3 big old boxes to ship out as well. First stop, success. I just shipped out I think 10 orders. If you ordered something, I either already shipped it or just did. Off to number 2. Here we are at the Goodwill donation drop-off. This Goodwill is so fancy. Oh my goodness, look at all those donations. While we're here, might as well take a little peek around. This Goodwill is huge and I haven't been in so long, probably close to a year now. So let's go see if I can find anything because I love thrifting and it's seriously been so long. I feel like you can just tell how fancy and huge this one is. Hopefully there's some good stuff. I don't even know where to begin. I'm starting just looking at dresses because I love a dress and I have a bunch of trips coming up this summer. I went through a bunch of the clothes and found a few things that I want to try on, and now I'm looking at all like the trinkets, the house stuff, dishes. Thrift stores always have the coolest kitchenware, and I've gotten so much of my stuff from Goodwill and thrift stores in general. Look how cute these vintage palm tree plates are. Everything is just so delicate and I love it. It's beautiful. This pink dish, I love it because it's pink. I love when I see anything that says be kind on it. If I didn't already have margarita glasses, I would buy these. Look how freaking cute. They're little cactuses. That's adorable. All right, I'm trying on, and I know people aren't gonna see this vision, but I'm going to a country music festival, and look at this skirt. Tell me this doesn't scream country music. It has a fringe, it's high-low. I'm loving it. I think it's so cute, and it'd be so fun to layer some pieces, style it with a ton of belts, boots, lots of jewelry. I like this, and I think I'm gonna get it. It's $7, so yes, I'm getting this for my festival. Next are these pink flowy pants. I like them, but I don't love them. They have a tie right here, so I can make them cinch my waist. They fit me lengthwise, and they touch my ankles, which is normally hard because I'm tall. They still have the tag, too. How much is it? $9? Yeah. I think I'm gonna pass on these for $9, but I do like them. I just don't love them. Next is this midi skirt. I actually think this is really pretty for some of my summer trips coming up. I'm going to Europe and some tropical places, so this could be a fun little addition. I like it. I'm not normally a fan of midi because I feel like it hits at a weird length. I really love these eyelet little flower details as well. I think I'm gonna get this too. We're 2 for 3. That's pretty good. I got some goodies and I made a friend. I'd call that a success. I haven't been thrifting in so long and I forgot how fun it is to have the thrill of the hunt. While we're sitting here are cooling off, getting ready to go to our next errand. I bought some stuff to decorate my car. Y'all know I was debating on the name of my car and what I kind of wanted the theme to be, and we came up with the name and the theme. My blue Ford Bronco, his name is Bubbles, and I love her. Bubbles the Bronco is so cute. The theme is obviously going to be blues and oceany because that's right up my vibe. So I Amazoned some cute car decor for my car, and this is the first thing I'm so excited about. This is a shark steering wheel cover. Are you kidding me? This is perfect for me. And I will say, every time I've been getting into my car after it's been sitting a little while, the steering wheel has burnt my hands because it's black and it gets so hot. This wasn't only a want, it's a need, and I'm very excited to put her on. Ugh. That is majorly cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Are you kidding? Look how cute it is. All the different sharks. Why doesn't this one have a face? That's kind of weird. He doesn't have a face, but the rest of them are super cute. I love this, and it's gonna help not burn my hand off. I also recently went to a small local market. The sweetest girl there sells these handcrafted stained glass pieces. She hand makes everything, has different styles of what you could get for a car charm. I just love the seashell so much. I think it matches the vibe perfectly. I love my car charm, love the steering wheel cover. I also got these cup holders to have something that I could just easily rinse out. I thought was perfect, and these match the color of my car perfectly. They're just like these light blue silicone, and they have sparkles. I have a card list on my Amazon storefront where I'll link all of this stuff. We got one for the Duncan, we have this one for the Stanley. So perfect. And then I got two more for this. Not that anyone has yet ridden in my back seat, but when they do, they'll have cute little cup holders. Why is it breaking already? Maybe don't buy these. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Don't worry, she's perfect. Super cute. Ties in the little blue accents. I had to buy a new car trash can because the one I took from my old car, somebody left gum in it. It got all sticky and there was no salvaging it. The heat in Florida just melted it. It was so gross. I had to get a new one because I swear by a car trash can. And this one's bigger and high tech. Here it is. It's like a little box. It has a lid and it still clips onto the back of the seat, which is what I was really looking for. I want it to still be hidden and not like in your face. That's a trash can. First trash going in is my Duncan. And all I'm gonna do is put it right there. Easy peasy. You can't even tell that there's a hidden trash can in my car. Next, I can't use this yet because my permanent license plate hasn't come in the mail yet. I still have my temp one, but look how adorable. This oceany wave license plate cover. Are you kidding? I thought this would be so perfect because I also have the Florida shark plate. It's like the donation for the ocean one. So I thought this being the cover would be perfect as well. Once I get rid of the temp one and the real one comes in, this will be on there. And last but not least, I got a trunk organizer because I actually have a trunk and I have space to keep my crap in there. Brian, my dad, told me it'd be a good idea to get one of these. That way I can have all my beach stuff, a change of clothes, a pair of flip-flops, my yoga mat, a blanket, because I like to keep a lot of crap in my car. This thing just unfolds super easy. It has little things where you can make sections. That's the haul of all the accessories and decorations I bought for my car. I think she's coming together super well, and there'll probably be more pickups along the way. I'm gonna put this in the trunk because I want to see what it looks like. Look at this, a space for my blankets for when I go to the movies or the beach. I have this for if I want to eat and put it on my steering wheel. That can fit all that, and I still have a ton of space. My beach chair I just keep in here because it's so much easier and I have access to put more stuff. And look, I found my shark duck back here, so she's going up there too. I'm at Walmart because I need to do a return and get a few little grocery things. I'm looking for my favorite popcorn. It's the, oh, I can't remember what it's called. Himalayan sea salt is the kind. I don't know, but they don't have it. Skinny Pop, Smart Food, and Boom Chicka. But I don't like those. I like this very specific kind. I guess they only sell it at Publix. I got the mangoes to snack on, and this summer Red Bull is so good. Let's see. I also need some tortilla chips. I'm trying to remember what else I need, and I'm like having a brain fart because I haven't done a big haul in a while. I've just been picking up little things, and that always messes me up. I really want a zucchini, but this produce isn't looking too great, not gonna lie. We're gonna pass on that for now. All right, people, second to last stop, car wash. I told y'all I'm determined to keep this car clean, so I've been doing a good job. I've been keeping up with my car wash membership. We're back at Woody's and I get to go through the members lane. I feel so fancy and like my life is put together that I have a car wash membership. I've never had that before. Oh my gosh, it's never not aggressive. This thing scares me. Yay! Last stop, the UPS store, because I need to return this Amazon package. Now I go home. I'm so tired. Finally home, errands all done. I'm not complaining because I think running errands is fun, but it definitely sucks the life out of me. That took 4 hours. I do have a sponsor to edit and submit today. I have to do that real quick, continue editing, do the voiceover, add all the stuff. I'm gonna be on this couch for a little while, but at least I'm not driving around like a maniac. Summer's coming up, heading to Walmart and don't journal with me. All right, y'all, that low-key took a lot longer than I expected, but I got it done, submitted, finalized. Based on this, can you tell what's for dinner? If you guessed white people taco night, you're right. It's a staple in my household. I love making these. It's so easy. I have lots of leftovers, so let's do it together. First thing I'm using is this kind of going bad bell pepper. I don't want to waste her, but I would be lying if I said it was fresh. It's very wilted. She's wilted, but she'll do, and I'm not a waster. I don't like to do that. We're gonna cook it on up and make like fajita style veggies. Pan is heated up with some hot olive oil, and I'm just going to add my peppers. These are just gonna get all sauteed and softened. A little bit extra before we add the meat. While those are getting all cooked up, we're gonna do my beans, and I love beans. In my adult life, I've realized that a lot of people don't like beans, but I grew up eating beans and rice for just dinner. I love black beans in my burrito bowl, so we're just gonna cook these up in the microwave real easy. Season your beans. I typically just do salt and pepper, sometimes onion and garlic, but we're gonna keep it simple today. Mix it all up and pop them in the microwave. And now I'm adding my meat to cook. I'm using ground turkey. You can use whatever you want. Chicken, beef, turkey, you pick your poison. This has 22 grams of protein per serving, so that's why I like it. And I don't eat beef, so this is what we're going with. Peppers are nice and toasted, so adding in the meat, don't want that in there. Just chop it up and cook it all on. Beans are done, they're all cooked up, and now rice is going in. You can cook your own rice in a rice maker, buy pre-made rice. I just love this because you pop it in the microwave for like a minute and it's done. So easy. So then I just keep cooking my meat, and when it's almost done, I add my seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you want. Doesn't have to be taco seasoning. This just makes it so easy. You buy these for like $1 at the store and add it all in. All of the cooking parts are assembled. Here's my final product bowl. Added some cheese, some salsa. This is Greek yogurt, but I use it in place of sour cream, and then some cilantro dressing, and this looks fire. I'm so excited. Get a little bite of everything in here. Some meat, some pepper, some lettuce. Big ol' bite. Cheers. So good every single time. I've made this for multiple people and they all love it. It's one of my staple meals. It's around 7:30 now. I'm sitting on my balcony and reading my book. I just started this Abby Jimenez, Yours Truly. I've read every other Abby Jimenez book and loved them. I read them out of order. I didn't know there was an order, so I'm just now getting around to reading this one, and she's amazing. I just love everything Abby Jimenez puts out. Honestly, this is my favorite time of night. It's that quiet, peaceful time right before the sun goes all the way down. I love it, and I spend countless nights out here just relaxing, reading. That's what I'm up to. That's how I'm ending my night, and it's a pretty good one if you ask me. It's about 9 p.m. and I'm gonna hop in the shower and then continue reading my book until I fall asleep. But today was so fun. I had a great time hanging out with y'all. I know we spent a lot of time in the car running errands, but you know what? Some days look like that and that's okay. Thanks for joining me, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, follow all my other socials, and I'll see you back here very soon with another video. Bye guys.